Good morning, everyone, and welcome. Today, we'll explore the intricate challenges associated with integrating cutting-edge technologies like AI and IoT into legacy systems or creating entirely new solutions from scratch. Addressing these challenges requires a broad, mixed methods research approach that considers the entire technology ecosystem and the social interactions within it. Our focus will be on understanding the context in which these systems operate and the interplay between individuals, organizations, and technologies. This presentation will showcase our initiatives in the industrial sector, where we harnessed AI and IoT to transform operational practices. We will discuss how our strategies not only tackle current challenges, but also lay the groundwork for future innovations. This talk is we're anticipating this talk to be about 20 minutes long. I'm going to take the more scripted approach, and then afterwards, Faith is going to lead a free-flowing Q&A session with you. Faith and I began our collaboration over a decade ago at Intel, where we explored digital transformation in the industrial sector. Faith, as a principal engineer, utilized semiconductor applications and systems thinking to enhance manufacturing processes. I contributed my research and design expertise as the product experience director at HMS, helping to modernize legacy systems and create new solutions from scratch using mixed methods research. Our extensive experience in this domain equips us to provide valuable insights so that you can be confident in the knowledge that we're sharing with you today. I'd also like to acknowledge that this mixed methods research approach is the outcome of a multi-year collaboration within the industrial manufacturing sector and ecosystem. The insights and the findings from this work have been shared through multiple platforms, including Intel's partner program and a variety of industry-focused UX and strategic conferences. The digital landscape is rapidly changing, with 30 billion IoT devices producing 79.4 zettabytes of data and $50 billion of investments in AI-enabled IoT solutions. This growth is redefining industries. It's transforming manual tasks into semi and fully autonomous processes. Successfully integrating these technologies into existing frameworks or creating new ones from scratch necessitates a holistic digital transformation approach that transcends beyond just individual use cases. By examining the ecosystem comprehensively, we can understand the intricate interactions between people, technology, and environments, enabling organizations to enhance their processes and foster sustained innovation. The influx of these new technologies generates a vast amount of data, demanding creative strategies to manage, process, and leverage that data effectively. Achieving digital transformation hinges on grasping the roles of all stakeholders within an interconnected ecosystem. We prioritize understanding the relationships and the purposes of individuals, systems, and technologies before just jumping to a solution. This focus helps us address challenges like labor-intensive processes in a factory and helping them become fully autonomous. By analyzing how intelligent systems integrate into a socio-technical landscape, we move beyond simple solutions, ensuring that technology complements existing workflows and boosts overall productivity. The socio-technical landscape refers to the interconnected framework of both the social and the technical elements that influence and shape a system, an organization, or even a community. Recognizing that technology and human behavior are interdependent and that their interactions can significantly impact the effectiveness and the success of any given system. New technologies reshape our work and our communication, and these shifts occur in rapidly evolving environments that require continuous adaptation over time. This explosive growth of digital technologies demands a proactive approach to product development. Digital transformation encompasses not only the integration of current technologies, but also the anticipation of future innovations. We leverage what we call an experience framework that balances the immediate advancements with the necessary adaptability for emerging trends. This framework ensures that our AI and IoT solutions are aligned with present user needs while remaining resilient for future developments. In this context, we consider the social technical landscape, recognizing the interconnectedness of social and technical components. Understanding how people, processes, and technologies interact within a landscape enables us to design solutions that are both effective and relevant. We've adopted this comprehensive methodology, which informs our research, our data analysis, and our collaborative efforts to drive actionable outcomes. At the core of this approach is the social technical systems perspective, enhanced by the crucial element of time, which we will delve into further in the upcoming slides. This combination allows us to navigate the complexities of digital transformation effectively. To foster innovation at the forefront of AI and IoT, we must effectively navigate ambiguity. This involves framing and categorizing both the known and the unknown elements, identifying data patterns that yield actionable insights. Since innovation often challenges existing norms, it is vital to focus on the genuine needs of future users and question assumptions and seek novel opportunities. By rigorously analyzing data and tracking trends, we can discover insights that inform groundbreaking AI and IoT solutions. Given the uncertainties that unfold over time, we cannot dictate the technological path alone. It's crucial to engage diverse individuals and organizations to truly grasp needs and explore opportunities. Addressing complex digital transformation challenges requires a participatory approach to incorporating input from various ecosystem participants. Collaborating with a diverse group, including users, technologists, and stakeholders, ensures that our solutions incorporate real-world issues. For example, involving factory workers while redesigning an autonomous process is incredibly important to understanding the nuances of the current production processes. This collaborative approach enhances the relevance and adaptability of our solutions, allowing us to mitigate risks and address the needs of all stakeholders effectively. Active collaboration is vital. It helps us appreciate diverse perspectives and enables those involved in the system to take part in the process rather than merely receiving the outcomes of our work. A holistic design strategy requires mapping technological development across various timeframes to meet current and future demands. By addressing today's needs, we ensure that user requirements and existing technologies are met. Planning for the short term allows us to anticipate trends that may influence user experiences, while longer-term foresight prepares us for significant transformations. One of the key challenges with this approach is guiding diverse stakeholders to envision possible futures. Even with this structured framework, fostering full engagement and future visioning of the challenges that may lie ahead still remains a challenge. Another method that we use is to effectively integrate both AI and IoT into legacy systems or develop them from the ground up. We find it essential to contextualize these innovations in relatable terms that participants can connect with. Asking questions like, how might AI emulate your actions? Helps users visualize these technologies within their existing workflows and think about the problems they currently face. By creating immersive, multisensory experiences, we aim to engage users on a cognitive and a physical level, making technology more accessible to them and relatable. This slide presents various strategies for transforming abstract concepts of AI and IoT into tangible ideas, making them accessible to users regardless of their technical proficiency. Now we get to the challenging part, analyzing all the data that we've collected from the participatory activities, from from diary studies, from surveys, from in-depth interviews, and so on. Synthesizing the extensive amount of data that we have collected is always the challenging part. We commonly use a mixed methods approach, or the reason that we use a mixed methods approach is because it is essential for navigating the complexity and shaping effective product strategies. By integrating quantitative data with qualitative data, we utilize tools such as NVivo to derive actionable insights. We employ various coding techniques to structure and interpret the data. We commonly start with something called exploratory coding to identify emerging themes and patterns with predefined categories. Then we move on to structured coding to organize that data according to established theoretical frameworks. Then we further continue analyzing the data into descriptive, prescriptive, predictive, diagnostic, and interpretive coding structures. This helps us to uncover trends, root causes, predict future implications, and also develop deeper insights. These analyses reveal key patterns and actionable insights, which we summarize into framework matrices and visualize the data into thematic coding, word clouds, and cluster analysis. We continue to work with the data, and we do it in a variety of ways. Some that I've mentioned so far with the coding structures, and then over time, the farther and deeper you go with the data, the more you can act on the data, if that makes sense. We use another technique called a correlation analysis, which basically examines the relationships between variables. It further uncovers meaningful connections. From there, we take those findings, and to steer our product development strategy, we establish something called North Stars, which are basically fundamental principles based on industry trends and user insights. These North Stars guide product strategy, use case selection, and pilot projects, ensuring that our initiatives align with user needs and organizational objectives. We also create hybrid personas that encapsulate a range of evolving user requirements that focus around today's role and transition into future roles, helping us to maintain the relevance and the responsiveness in our solutions. Our methodology yields clear insights and strategic artifacts essential for implementation, allowing us to anticipate future challenges and trends. By harmonizing human and technical factors, we assist organizations designing solutions that address both immediate and long-term needs. This research provides critical insights, major themes, and detailed personas that lay the groundwork for future experiences and product strategies. These insights and personas serve as the guiding North Stars, ensuring that our digital transformation initiatives resonate with real-world needs and deliver scalable and adaptable solutions. We find that a custom analysis for diverse stakeholders, given the vast amount of data collected, is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's vital to understand the unique contexts of those we collaborate with and to distill that data into actionable insights, depending on the stakeholder group. that's going to be consuming the insights. Without actionable outcomes, the potential impact of our findings is diminished and sometimes not even used. Framing the future is essential for a successful digital transformation, particularly with evolving technologies like AI and IoT. It's about aligning stakeholders, business models, and environments to enhance a user experience. By taking these forward-looking approaches, we can design product strategies that incorporate features and capabilities that adapt over time. We find that effective collaboration extends beyond the technologies. It requires consideration of various timelines and system elements to achieve optimal outcomes. We would like to leave you with 3 key takeaways from today's talk. Number 1, digital transformation involves more than just implementing new technology such as AI and IoT. It requires a comprehensive understanding of the interconnectedness between people, processes, technology, and social interactions. By integrating both quantitative and qualitative data, organizations can gain a 360-degree view that ensures technologies harmonize within a broader ecosystem, addressing the technical and the contextual factors for seamless integration. 2, engaging a wide range of stakeholders, including direct users, technologists, organizations, and indirect beneficiaries, is crucial for successful digital transformation. By combining numerical insights from surveys and descriptive feedback from diary studies, interviews, or participatory design sessions, organizations can create solutions that address real-world needs and adapt to evolving technological advancements and user expectations. 3, effective digital transformation requires designing solutions that are both relevant today and adaptable for the future. By using a mixed methods research approach to explore current needs and anticipate future trends, organizations can develop flexible strategies that evolve over time. This approach helps navigate ambiguity. It challenges existing norms and frames innovation with a forward-thinking perspective, ensuring solutions remain resilient and effective as technologies and user requirements evolve over time. And with that, I would like to turn it over to my colleague, Faith, for an interactive Q&A to answer some of your questions. And I want to thank you for your time and look forward to chatting with you more. Thank you.